You stand up, please, one more time. Stay there, facing me, yeah, facing me. And try to lean how far you can go down. I just want to see the difference. And when you do this, where you feel the pain again? That side or that side?
It's here. No, about a week or two before that, I pulled like something here.
Okay, that's
why it gets me now when I go down, you know.
Yeah, okay, I
couldn't move it. I thought it was going bad.
Yeah, okay,
so
okay.
It's basically just here, right there, though.
Yeah, hamstring is it's annoying in a hamstring.
Yeah, that's another thing. That was a different one. Yeah.
Try the far away when you go. That's the best. Okay. You will see in the end how much you can go.
Yeah.
You see the difference. Sit down. No problem. Can I have your hand? This one.
I used to fell down on Cork. I used to go to.
Yeah.
Man, he had to retire.
Just relax. Yeah. Just You went to Cork to do this?
Yeah, well, it's in. I tell you, it's 170 miles from here. That's what exactly. Yeah. Way down beyond Limerick. And no choice used to be bad, you know. It was.
Yeah.
Yeah, but after that, I felt good. You know.
Yeah. No way. 1 second. No way. It's gonna be okay.
But then there was another fellow in Carlow.
Yeah.
You probably heard of him. Gagan is his name.
Okay.
Gagan, yeah. He had like maybe 4 or 5 clinics in one spare spot.
What he was doing?
And he did all that video, you know.
Okay.
He does all that. But I think he's closed now as well.
You see, you feel that little bit?
Yeah, we're cracked, right? Wow.
You're gonna move all
Yeah, that was it.
in the point.
Yeah.
Can I slow down the music?
Yeah, turn it off, hang on.
How you doing?
Hold on.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna hear later.
No problem.
Yes, yeah, thank you. So.
Wow.
Did they do the same one or that's different in Carlo and in Cork?
Your man in Cork, he would do. No, there were something similar as well. Yeah, and he would put your line down and he would come to your neck like that. You could some to that as well, yeah. So, I'm not trust me in it now.
I'm gonna tell you what is here.
Yeah. Oh.
This is for your vision.
Yeah.
Yeah, for you. You don't know. You lose vision slowly.
Yeah, my vision is becoming a bit. Over time can be good.
This is the nerves of the visions from here, just all around. I just make them in the place again.
I remember I went to this fellow, first time I went to fellow in Cork, something that he said to me, stand up straight, okay, stand up. And he looked at me, and by looking, it was like that.
Yeah.
So he knew straight away, he put his hand on me, he said, something happened to you, he said. It's like, no, he said, you were in an accident like that. No, I said, no.
Hold it, just hold it.
What happened about falling?
Yeah, that's...
I fell on my shoulder.
Yeah.
I fell backwards. He described it to me first how I fell, before he told him, you know what I mean?
Just hold it, I'm going to push it down, okay?
Yeah.
I'm going to hold it, I'm going to push it down. Here, hold it, and push it down. Okay, this one here. Hold it, and push it down. Hold it, push it down. Okay. Stay there. No problem.
But I had a whiplash, very bad whiplash.
I can see that, you see?
And he told me the same. Yeah, I can see that, yeah. And he did say something about the optic nerve as well. See, it was broken here.
Okay.
See here, right here.
Yeah.
I didn't know. It's about 8 years ago now.
Yeah. Okay.
But I didn't know at the time it had happened.
See? No, you just leave them. Don't die. Just leave it in that. Leave it. Okay. Face down.
That's okay.
Face down. Take your shoes out. You can take the shoes out.